I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse Injury Law Group. After an accident, you're entitled to compensation returning your vehicle to pre-accident condition. This includes repairs using manufacturer-approved parts or the car's fair market value if totaled. Insurance companies often undervalue claims by pushing cheaper aftermarket parts or questionable repair shops. You have the right to choose your repair facility. Keep all estimates and receipts. If repairs are unsatisfactory, you may have additional claims. Rental car costs during repairs should also be covered. When another driver is at fault, their insurance should pay, but they frequently dispute claims to reduce payouts. We help clients negotiate fair settlements covering all repair-related expenses. This includes diminished value claims if your car loses resale value post-repair. Proper documentation is key. Take extensive photos of damage, get multiple estimates if needed, and keep records of all communications with insurers. Don't accept quick settlement offers before understanding the full repair costs. Some damage isn't immediately visible. Have a professional mechanic inspect the vehicle before finalizing any settlement. If you're having trouble getting proper compensation for your vehicle damage, call us for a free consultation at 877-466-7750.